Have you ever turned on your laptop and suddenly there's no sound? Or maybe your Wi-Fi just stopped working out of nowhere. What about that frustrating moment when your display looks pixelated and unclear? Well, my friends, you're not alone. And today I'm going to show you the ultimate solution that saved my computer and will save yours too. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be a game changer for anyone who's ever dealt with missing or corrupted drivers on their PC or laptop. Before we dive into this incredible solution, if you're finding this helpful already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss our upcoming tech tips that can save you hundreds of dollars in repair costs. So let's talk about what's really happening here. Drivers are essentially the translators between your hardware and your operating system. When they go missing or get corrupted, chaos ensues. You might experience no audio output, poor video quality, Wi-Fi connectivity issues, or even your processor not running at optimal performance. I've personally faced this nightmare scenario, and let me tell you, it's incredibly frustrating when you need your computer to work and it's acting up because of driver issues. That's when I discovered this amazing free software that I'm about to share with you. It's called DriverPack Solution, and it's honestly a lifesaver. This software automatically detects missing drivers and installs them for you. No technical expertise required. Open up your Chrome browser or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type DriverPack Solution and hit enter. You'll see several results, but we want to click on the first official link. This will take us to the official DriverPack website where we can safely download the software. Once you're on the website, you'll see a big download button that says Install all required drivers. That's exactly what we want. Go ahead and click on it. Great, the file is now downloading. While we wait, let me tell you something important. This software has been downloaded by millions of users worldwide, and it supports multiple languages and operating systems. Alright, the download is complete. Now let's install it. Double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. You might see a Windows Smart Screen warning. This is normal for free software. Simply click More Info and then Run Anyway to proceed with the installation. Perfect. DriverPack Solution is now installing. The interface is really user-friendly and intuitive, which I absolutely love about this software. Once the installation is complete, the software will automatically launch and start scanning your system for missing or outdated drivers. This process might take a few minutes, but it's completely automated. Look at this beautiful interface. As you can see, it's now scanning and identifying which drivers need to be updated or installed. The best part is that it shows you exactly what it's doing in real time. Make sure you have a stable internet connection during this process, because the software needs to download the latest driver versions from the internet. And there we go. The scanning and installation process is complete. As you can see, it automatically installed all the missing drivers that were causing problems on this computer. Now, here's something very important I need to mention. During the installation process, DriverPack Solution might try to install some additional software like Opera Browser or other applications. You can easily avoid this by unchecking those options during installation, or you can uninstall them later through Control Panel if you don't need them. This is completely normal with free software, and it doesn't affect the quality or effectiveness of the main driver installation process. Let's verify that everything is working properly now. Your audio should be crystal clear, your display should be sharp, your Wi-Fi should be connecting without issues, and your overall system performance should be noticeably improved. The difference is honestly remarkable. It's like getting a brand new computer. What I really love about DriverPack Solution is that it's not just a one-time fix. You can use it regularly to keep all your drivers updated, which helps maintain optimal system performance and prevents future issues. It works with Windows XP, 7, 8, 8.1, 10, and even the latest Windows 11, supporting both 32-bit and 64-bit systems. And that's it, friends. We've successfully solved the missing driver problem using this fantastic free tool. No more silent computers, no more blurry displays, and no more Wi-Fi headaches. I'm confident this video has been incredibly helpful for you. If it solved your driver problems, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this solution. Have you tried Driver Pack Solution before? Or do you have any other driver-related questions? Drop them in the comments below. I read every single comment and try to help everyone out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech solutions like this one. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore more incredible free software that can supercharge your computer experience.